Welcome back to the Roadside Rescue YouTube channel. This morning we've got an emergency call out. I'll put a picture up here on the screen. But we've got a customer with a brake line that's completely busted. So their car is immovable. This is their family vehicle, so they need this done as ASAP. So we're gonna head up there and get their car back on the road for them. Here we go. Right, here we go. Okay. All right, well, I'm headed to the parts store to get a new caliper. That bleeder valve on there, obviously I had to bleed that. There was error. You know, that brake pedal is not engaging the brakes at all. So went through the progression of trying to get that rusty bleeder valve off of there, and I was never able to get it off. It ended up snapping in half by the time, you know, we got to the end. So we're gonna head up there and get a new caliper and yeah, we'll be back over there. We'll jack the tire up, take the tire off, and pop a new caliper in there, and it should be able to bleed. If we have an issue with any of those other lines having air in them, I should be able to bleed them from the lines and not the caliper, so that shouldn't be an issue. There's no way they've got air down in the calipers themselves. But we'll see. I mean, it's turned into a little bit more of a headache than it should have been. But rusty caliper bleeder valve will do that to you. So we'll check back in when we pick that stuff up. I'm gonna grab my jack and my impact gun and we'll head back up there. Actually letting the pedal go deeper instead of shallower. Okay. Yeah, pump that like 2 more times then. Let me see. Okay. It sounds good. Okay. So let me see how that feels. That may be it. Stop. It's not. Tricking us.
Cool beans. Okay. You're totally late for your class, aren't you?
I don't know. All right, well, there you have it. That's a job well done. I'm gonna be late for my class. Well, I'll probably be just on time, but I gotta hurry back to get to class. And yeah, got that new caliper in. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next episode.